जैसे कि रणवीर शौरी ने अपना एक बहुत ही बुरा साइड बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर दिखाया। बहुत सारे लोग जो उनकी एक्टिंग की आज तक दीवाने रहे हैं कई सालों से, उनकी पर्सनैलिटी के होते हुए नजर नहीं आए हैं। रणवीर शौरी ने बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर आकर बहुत ही डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स मेनी कंटेस्टेंट दिखाया है और एक इमेच्योरिटी इतनी एज होने के बाद भी उनके अंदर नजर आई है। और ऐसा ही कुछ मीडिया के सामने भी उनकी हरकतें देखने को मिली, जहां पर सना के बारे में बहुत कुछ उल्टा उन्होंने कहा और बाकी कंटेस्टेंट के बारे में भी जिन्हें वो पसंद नहीं करते थे। और अब ऐसे में एक रिपोर्टर, एक एंकर जो कि बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर है, नयनदीप रक्षित, वो उनके बारे में यानी कि रणवीर के बारे में कुछ ऐसा कहते हुए नजर आए हैं जो अभी तक हर कोई सोच रहा था। दरअसल नयनदीप ने एक ट्वीट किया है जहां उन्होंने लिखा है, spoke to Ranveer Shori and he is truly toxic, disgustingly disrespectful human being, no manners, extremely rude, arrogant and picks on everyone who won't agree with him. Typical chauvinist, narcissist behavior, horrible. साथ ही ने ये भी लिखा, In my 10-year long career in Mumbai, I have never ever said something like this or experienced someone from the industry behaving the way someone did, and I have no qualms in calling it out. Last night I had to interview Ranveer Shori post Big Boss and I feel were the worst 9 minutes of my professional career where the actor didn't even know how to speak. We kept twisting things and intimidating me. But I'm sorry, sir. Neither I'm scared of you nor I do care about you as much. While time and again we have seen you given your gyan about respect towards senior and once older to us. One must not forget that everybody deserves the same respect regardless of their age, gender or social standing. So when you can't give respect, you won't get it either. Manners has nothing to do with age but with upbringing. I could have said something horrible back to you, but there is not my upbringing or class. And yes, sir, Big Boss is over. You may not have a PR, but you must sign up for public speaking and etiquette lesson instead. Regards. Also, for your information, because we were on a timer and couldn't answer a lot of things, here you go, Ranveer Shori. You had disrespected all the women regardless of their leniency on this show. You came across as a male chauvinist, and being straightforward doesn't mean being disrespectful. And then you can't handle anyone reaction. Second, you have character shamed everyone who didn't want to follow you or suck up to soothe your bruised ego. Whether it's Sana, Lavkesh, Vishal, or Shivani, you kept on thrashing them because they didn't see you as their leader. Third, you felt Sana won because of Big Boss kindness. Show देखिए sir, nobody questioned your chauvinism. Nobody targeted you during the weekend ka war, while you kept on commenting about women and degrading them on a show. You got the best power in the last two crucial week where you made sure others are evicted and not your team deserving loyalties. And you still think the makers were biased towards Sana? Lol. Fourth, you said Sana is responsible for her friend's eviction, who put her in that spot. You. She had to choose between three friends because you choose to put all three friends for eviction, and then there was double eviction. As for love, you and your Korsho voted him out, not Sana, but well, who nominated Deepak and led to his eviction. Lol. Fifth, for years you have spoken about Bhatt's campaign against you, taking their name and speaking whatever you may have faced or wanted. They can't. Why can't you take one question on yourself then? The world knows the truth about your life and failed relationship. People who met you know what kind of toxic man you are, and you are just proved it yet again cause I didn't agree to everything you said or wanted me to agree on. Great alive and never speak to me out of term. I am not the other random journo who will take your shit, sir. Hope this response was helpful and respectful, unlike you or your presence on Big Boss. एक लिंक शेयर करते हुए नयनदीप ने ये भी कहा, द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट एंड क्रूशिएटिंग 9 minutes of my life, I kept grinding my teeth in anger but still hopefully maintain my dignity and respect. But this is not how you treat another person. Sorry, Mr. Shori. You really need a cross correction and a reality check in life. जी हाँ, यही एक बिहेवियर है आखिरकार रणवीर शौरी का, जो कि मीडिया ट्रायल के दौरान भी नजर आया। मीडिया से जब उनकी बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर बात हुई, ये तब भी नजर आया जब बिग बॉस के ग्रैंड फिनाले के बाद इनके इंटरव्यूज हुए, जहां सना को उन्होंने नॉन डिजर्विंग, तो कटारिया को बहुत उल्टा सीधा कहा, तो वहीं अरमान की रिस्पेक्ट दिखाते हुए नजर आया, जिस दुनिया में इस वक्त कोई पसंद नहीं कर रहा। ऐसे में रणवीर शौरी का एक ये शिविनिस्ट नार्सिसिस्ट बिहेवियर क्लियरली नजर आ रहा था, स्पेशली एक जो वुमेन के प्रति उनका नजर आता है, और ये क्लियरली आज बयां करता है कि आखिर क्यों उनका इतना सालों पुराना रिश्ता खत्म हुआ, क्यों टूटा, क्यों आखिर मीडिया के सामने कौनकना सेनगुप्ता ने कभी भी रणवीर के बारे में कुछ कहा नहीं, क्योंकि कह देती तो भाई बहुत सारी सच्चाई खुलकर सामने आ जाती। और ऐसे में क्यों आखिर रणवीर शौरी को इतना अच्छा, इतना टैलेंटेड होने के बाद भी, इतने कमाल के एक्टर होने के बाद भी काम नहीं मिलता, ये उनका बैड बिहेवियर ही आज बयां करता है। क्या कहना चाहेंगे आखिर इसके बारे में आप सभी हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिख के बताइएगा। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब के बिना बिल्कुल भी ना जाए।